Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my lowest calorie kitchen where we create delicious foods, high in volume, low in calories so you can lose weight, maintain your weight, build muscle, or achieve your overall fitness goals. My name is Alex and I'm here to teach you all of my experience regarding fat loss, dieting, exercise, and lower calorie recipes you will definitely need on your journey. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon, and let's get into it. In today's video, we're going to be making one of my favorite recipes, the lowest calorie pancakes. They're a simple recipe to make. I'm making these more often than I like to admit. They're very satisfying. But first, we need our morning coffee. You know you're getting old when you can't start your morning without coffee. And that's some black magic right there. Okay, let's begin. For this recipe, we're gonna need 30 grams of coconut flour, 300 grams of egg whites, 0 calorie sweetener, cinnamon, vanilla extract, 2 grams of baking powder, 2 grams of xanthan gum, and of course, the 0 calorie syrup. Here are all the ingredients. As you can see, there are not too many of them. It's a simple recipe. Okay, so we're back. I stacked this up. I grabbed a bunch of blackberries here, just adding a few to the pancakes. On the side. That should do it. And last but not least, our 0 calorie syrup. But it's not really 0 calories. It still has it has 10 grams of carbs. That's 40 calories for 100 milliliter. This is 300 milliliters, so eating this whole thing will be 120 calories. But that's a lot of syrup. We're not eating that much syrup. Look at that. Okay, so the macros for this are 268 calories for this whole thing, 10 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fat, and 38 grams of protein. As you can see, there's more protein in here than anything else, so it's an anabolic recipe. It's one of my favorite go-to breakfast meals of all time, but I'll be revealing the other one in a future video, so stay tuned. This is a low-calorie, high-volume, high-protein food that will fill you up on just 268 calories. Well, with the blackberries and syrup, we can round it up to 300. So does this look like a 300 calorie breakfast? This whole thing, how huge that is. Let's compare these pancakes to the real deal. Store-bought pancake mix made with milk and butter. That's the amount you get for the same calories. So this tiny portion has the exact same calories as this huge thing. That's what she said. This is what low-calorie foods are all about, volume. This fills you up and keeps you full until lunch, and it has another major benefit. It's packed full of protein and no sugar. That's packed full of fat and sugar and almost no protein. So protein takes longer to digest and actually burns some extra calories, while fats and carbs are absorbed much faster and do not burn so many calories. But what about taste? If this tastes at least 80% as good as this, then it's a win for me. But I already know the answer to that question because I've been making these for years. I'm more than 5 years into low-calorie foods now. Forgot the fork. So, taste test time. Let's begin with the real deal. Those taste good. They're not the best pancakes I ever had. They have chocolate bits inside. Those are pretty decent pancakes. Now let's try my pancakes. Well, if that is a 10 on 10, then this is 9 out of 10. The only big difference is those are a bit sweeter because of all the sugar. A lot of products are packed full of sugars because companies want you to get addicted to their products so you can keep buying more and more of it. But this is a win, guys. They taste amazing. 90% of the real deal, and look at that volume. I mean, you can't beat that. They are both fluffy, they are both sweet, they both have a hint of vanilla and cinnamon, but enough of my rambling, I gotta eat this before they get cold, so let's dig in. That was a good breakfast. Now I'm actually really full right now. That's how you lose weight right there. Low calorie, high volume, high protein food. That is the key to fat loss. If you like this type of video and like my content, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future recipes like this one. Let me know in the comment section below if you tried this recipe out, and give this video a like if you did. Check out my 2 other videos listed here. And always remember, you can do it. Everyone can. No exception.